That's our office right there, campus at sea and the harbor.
Hello everyone! Our project focuses on the restoration of the marine environment in the North Sea. This is due to severe overfishing and overpopulation. Our mission is to implement a sustainable and eco-friendly alternative that will restore the seabed and biodiversity. We thought to do such actions by advertising artificial reef structures, working together with the company Construction to make this work. Through detailed ecosystem analysis, we've identified that the North Sea's seabed is heavily trawled. This is destroying essential habitats for marine species. The trawling has different reasons, such as overfishing and pollution by oil rigs. Within the 92 active oil rigs in the North Sea, there is a nearly 30% drop in species diversity near these rigs. This loss impacts not only the environment, but also the livelihoods of local communities, fisheries, and tourism industries. Our beneficiaries include marine life, conservation organizations, and coastal economies, all of whom rely on a thriving ecosystem for survival. What makes our approach unique is our commitment to frugal innovation. By using natural, locally sourced materials, we design reefs that are cost-effective, scalable, and environmentally friendly. This ensures that the marine restoration is accessible to all stakeholders while also aligning with global sustainability goals.
The main challenge we faced was the lack of resources for the project. Initially, we began working on the deployment of artificial reefs in the North Sea. During the first 2 months of the minor, we conducted research to prepare for the creation and deployment of the reefs. However, our provider informed us at the last minute that they lacked the resources to support our project, forcing us to shift our focus but still maintaining the level of contribution to marine life restoration. In the following 3 months, it was challenging to come up with a completely new approach, but with Betty's support, we eventually developed the idea of creating a website to collect donations for the Artificial Reef Initiative. This plan also involved collaborating with our provider and an external company. One of the difficulties we encountered was initiating and maintaining communication with the provider, as their responses were often delayed, which created some anxiety about the project's progress. We know that co-creation is never easy, and it was very educational to experience it firsthand. Many companies we contacted for collaboration were not interested, but those that expressed interest have become promising potential partners and donors for the future. The most recent challenge we are having is developing the website and maintaining communication with our provider regarding the potential takeover of the website and its data after a minor ends. Hopefully, by this time, when the video is played, we have received a response from them.
For the experimentation phase, the initial idea was to create a scaffolding reef structure. However, this proved to be too costly and unfeasible given our startup's limited resources. Therefore, we decided to create a website that would act as an intermediary between users that are willing to donate and Construction, which is an organization here in the Netherlands that is specialized in reef development and installation. However, before launching the website, we decided to send out a landing page which would give the opportunity for potential donors or people willing to purchase to give their email and join a waiting list, and then donate or say a certain amount they would like to donate. And this initiative proved to be very encouraging since we got many sign-ups and many emails. While we did not test the reefs ourselves, Construction has a proven track record in this area, having scaled artificial reefs outside of the Netherlands and in other countries as well, such as Hawaii, Sabah Island, Africa, and they're now working in the Red Sea. They use 3D printing, which is a very frugal technique since it minimizes cost, labors, and waste material, and they use a mixture of cement and sand, which are widely used or widely available material, and they have a very low cost.
Throughout our journey with ReSead, we've gained valuable insights into the challenges and opportunities of restoring marine ecosystems in the North Sea. One of the key lessons we've learned is that collaboration is essential. By working closely with construction, marine biologists and local communities, we've seen how diverse expertise and perspectives drive more innovative and effective solutions. Another critical takeaway is the importance of scalability and sustainability. While traditional artificial reef models often rely on costly or non-eco-friendly materials, we've demonstrated that using natural resources not only reduces cost, but also creates a more harmonious integration with marine environments. However, we've also learned that public awareness is a major barrier. Many people want to contribute to conservation efforts, but lack accessible ways to do so. Based on these findings, we have 3 actionable recommendations. The first one being to collaborate further with governments, NGOs, and private companies to fund and scale the deployment of reefs across the North Sea, so expanding our partnerships. The second one is to develop educational campaigns and adoption programs, such as gift cards and corporate sponsorships, to make conservation efforts more inclusive and tangible. The last one is implement robust tracking systems to measure the reef's ecological impact and continuously refine designs based on real-world data. By applying these lessons and recommendations, we can ensure ReSead's work is not only restores marine life, but also inspires a global movement for sustainable ocean stewardship.
Welcome to our website. Our main page starts with brief introduction to our mission. Below, we share recent news about coral reefs and the North Sea, and our networks. By clicking on the waiting list or news sections, you can directly open the link to join the waiting list or explore the news in more detail. Once you successfully log in, you can order reef by following simple steps to order your special reef. First, choose your reef design. Second, select a location for deployment. Third, review the pricing options. Finally, enter your personal information. After completing your order, you can visit My Orders page to track the status and updates of your reef. In the future, we also plan to provide photos of your coral reef to showcase the real-world impact of your contribution. About Us page provides insights of our mission. The Financials page offers transparency into how contributions are utilized and the measurable impact of every donation.